Hello, Pike Road. I'm Gordon Stone, and what an honor it is to serve as your mayor. It's truly a blessing to be in a town where so many people stay involved. And that is what we do these for, is to make sure you are aware of all the opportunities in Pike Road for you to engage and meet people and get to know your community in its full grandeur of Pike Road. So don't forget to check out these every week in the newsletter. We want to make sure you're signed up for the newsletter, that you get it coming to you, and tell your friends about it, because we keep you informed through that. And don't forget that right around the corner, like tomorrow, the Easter Ornament and Tree Workshop is being hosted by the Arts Council. It's from 1 to 4. Don't forget to sign up. You can go to our website right now and sign up at pikeroad.us under the Arts Council link on the webpage. Also, don't forget, Arts Council stays busy. March 22nd and 23rd, the Pasanke Egg Dyeing Workshops. 3-hour classes suitable for anyone ages 12 up. A great family event to learn how to do an artistic egg dyeing team building exercise. It's fun. It's a great way to work together with your kids or with your neighbors, create something unique, something you might even want to figure out a way to keep. Pasanke Egg Dyeing Workshops, March 22nd and 23rd. So 3 events, so 9th, 22nd, 23rd at the Arts Council. Check it out on our website. March 14th, the prayer team is coming together to bring collective thought to how we do the best job we can to deliver summer feeding program activities. We are so thankful that our churches have this opportunity and are willing to work together to make sure that those in need in Pike Road get served during the summer months. And this feeding program was hosted by Woodland Methodist Church last year, and the prayer team was such a wonderful contributor to the workload and the volunteerism that's necessary to make it happen. So they're getting together on March 14th to begin planning for this coming summer activity. Make sure your church or your organization knows about it and sends a volunteer to be a part of that planning exercise on the 14th. March 21st is our Business Association gathering, this time called Business Over Biscuits. And it'll be an 8 to 11 opportunity for you to grow and learn about networking and communications, to refine your skills, but most of all, to actually network. Bring your friends who are in business in Pike Road. It can be a cottage business, it can be a retail site, it can be somebody that has a professional practice that lives in Pike Road, but maybe it's not here. Bring them to this, spend 3 hours, get to know each other, have a great program, and help us grow our team of Pike Road businesses. That's on the 21st at Town Hall. Make sure you register so we have enough food. Again, pikeroad.us for registration. Also on the 21st is our beginning beekeeping program, where we work closely with the Extension Service, our great partners in our ag and stewardship exercises. The beekeeping practice is something that you really don't realize is in your community until you get together with those who do it. And if you're just curious, if you wanted another activity to do, you wanted to make a little money on the side, this honey sales is really, really popular, and the beekeeping class is the way to begin your endeavor into that opportunity. So mark your calendar, the 21st, pre-register, because those programs always sell out. Then on the 25th, we have another Mondays with the Mayor. Love hearing your questions. Text them in to us, call us, come by, or send an info@pikeroad.us email ahead of time, and we'll be glad to answer your questions. We do these because we want to be the most connected community in all of Alabama. Goodwin Animal Hospital will host us on the 25th of March. And then finally, I want to make sure that you are aware that it's spring cleanup time in April. And we have been so blessed by those who have organized groups from their neighborhoods, organized groups from their churches, organized groups from their classes at school, organized groups from their community organizations, and adopted a little spot in Pike Road and cleaned it up. Once a year, we try to do this, and we provide you with the bags, the gloves, the claspers where you reach out and grab the trash. Everything you need is available either at Founder Station or Town Hall. Just make an appointment if you're coming by Founder Station to pick it up. At Town Hall, you can stop by, and they'll have them available when we're open and in regular business hours. But Pike Road, you've been wonderful about this. Right in front of your neighborhood, a little bit down the road from where you live, or maybe just a spot in a more heavily trafficked area. this is a great way to contribute to helping beautify our wonderful hometown community. Pike Road, we are so fortunate to have all the great things going on. Our school is bursting with energy. Spring break is going to be here soon. There'll be people coming through Pike Road from all over. Make sure that you are careful, that you're smart, that you're enjoying seeing each other, that you're supporting activities that are happening in our community, and know that we will pray for you, and we ask that you pray for each other.